Have you ever had that thing happen where you're traveling and you need to go home and suddenly you have way more stuff than you can fit into your suitcase? I have the perfect solution to that. You're not going to believe how big this thing gets. Hold on. This is the Hanke brand expanding foldable luggage with wheels. Look at that. 4 wheels on the bottom. Before I show you how big this thing gets, let me show you how small it gets, okay? This squishes down even further. You can see how thin this is. So it's really easy to pack into a suitcase that you already have. This is super solid. It's got a handle on here, but like this is, I don't know what this is in here, a skateboard? Just kidding. But it is really, really tough. Like I cannot bend it. It is not flimsy. It is rock hard, and this is also super lightweight. Let me get into showing you what this pancake can turn into. Here's stage 1. It has handles with a nice buckle, Velcro strap. It also has a shoulder strap. It has side handles here, so you can really easily carry it like this, or drag it around. It also has a shoulder strap. Nice, strong, durable. You can easily take that off if you want. This is how big it can get at first glance. On here, it's got zippers, and if you'll notice, it's got layers of zippers that go all the way around. So let's start with one. Can you see how nicely that unzips? It's super smooth. Zipper expansion number 1 complete. Let's see what we have now. Aha! Getting much bigger. Look at this. Have you seen how big this is? How much storage this is? What? This is already huge, but that's not it. We have a whole nother layer of unzipper to reveal. So let's go ahead and start it. What? Are you kidding me? I'm holding it upside down just so you can see how huge this is. What? Look at this. This is massive. It rolls around. This thing is amazing. I have taken this internationally and it has saved me on excess baggage fees because I had to switch to a checked bag from an unchecked, and that was fine, but this could get as big or as small as I needed it to. Look at this. Each one of these expandable compartments is like the height of my hand. That's how much extra you're getting with each level, plus then this whole huge upper compartment. I'm telling you, this thing is the coolest. Oh, and it also has a huge front zipper pocket. That's huge enough for you to fit a laptop, a couple laptops, and spacious. All of it, just cavernous. You could fit a body in there. I didn't just say that. Anyway, this is the Hanke Expandable Luggage on Wheels. This is really high quality, water resistant, tear resistant. I mean, this is thick. This is not flimsy, crappy material. It's obviously bendable and foldable, but it's not going to rip on you. And it's really, really well sewn too. The zipper is as smooth as butter. This is a piece of luggage that I think everyone needs. Hope that helps.